Stop cold calling from outdated lists and start connecting directly with motivated property owners using Propstream. First, pinpoint your target area using Propstream's search bar. You can search by address, city, zip code, or even draw a custom boundary on the map. Next, apply relevant filters to narrow down your search. Consider factors like property type, ownership time, mortgage status, and even vacancy to identify potential sellers. Now, select the properties you're interested in by clicking on them individually, or using the bulk selection tool to add them to your list. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the list you just created and click on the Skip Trace button located in the top right corner. Propstream will then use its integrated skip tracing tools to find available phone numbers and email addresses associated with the property owners. It pulls data from multiple sources to give you the best possible contact information. Review the results, download your list, and start reaching out to potential leads directly. Remember to always comply with relevant regulations and respect people's privacy. That's how you unlock the power of Propstream to find owners' numbers and take your real estate business to the next level.